Are you sure you don't want another s'more? This is the last one, so don't say I didn't warn you. Okay, well, suit yourself. More for me. Or should I say, s'more for me. Oh, shut up. It was funny. You just don't appreciate my sense of humor. Like, you didn't even crack a smile when I was joking about forgetting to bring another sleeping bag earlier. Wait, you thought I was being serious? Oh, come on. I know I maybe do the whole deadpan humor thing a little too much, but is it really that hard to tell when I'm joking? I told you I triple checked our whole inventory before we drove out to the campsite. Of course, I wasn't going to forget something as important as a sleeping bag. If I had, one of us would have had to sleep on the cold, unforgiving tent floor, and that would have sucked. Or, I guess we could have maybe shared the one sleeping bag, but that would have been so awkward, right? Who wants to share some tiny, cramped sleeping bag meant for one person? Talk about awkward, right? Oh, sorry, I was just thinking about something. Never mind. Anyway, I'm stealing the s'more. Last chance to claim your share. Come on. Don't let me eat all the snacks tonight. You just want a little piece? Okay. How little? Is this enough? Oh, damn. Shit. I didn't break that right. Ugh, and it's dripping marshmallow all over my hand. Not like there's any good way to break s'mores, I guess. Here, take your chunk. Let me wipe my hand off. There we go. That's better. Now let's... Oh my god! No, nothing's wrong. It's just, you have liquid marshmallow dripping all the way down your chin. No, it just looks adorable is all. Oh, I mean, not adorable. I'm not saying you look adorable. It's just, it looks a little funny, but in a good way. Like, you tried to take a bite out of Casper the Friendly Ghost. Here, let me wipe it off with another tissue. No, really, it's fine. It's better if I do it. You might, miss something. And there. I think that's it. Let me just put this into our trash bag. Oh, wait, there's a tiny bit left on your lip. Let me just get that with my finger. Oh, I'm sorry. I just brushed your lips right now. They're, really soft. I didn't imagine that they would be that soft. Oh my god. I'm sorry. That was super weird. I don't know why I said that. Just ignore me. The hot marshmallow is going straight to my brain and making me weird. Like, whatever the opposite of brain freeze is. That's what I have right now, and it's making me act weird. I didn't mean anything by that. I don't know. Okay. Well, I'm glad you didn't think it was weird. I know a lot of people think I'm weird sometimes. No, that's nice of you to say, but let's be honest. To a lot of people, I'm like that weird girl. You know, that kind of awkward girl who makes deadpan jokes people don't get and is probably a, little too much into 90s sci-fi movies. But it's always kind of meant a lot to me that you don't think I'm weird. I mean, you still don't, right? I haven't convinced you yet, have I? Aw. Well, thank you. I don't think you're weird either. No, I don't mean people would think, like, I just meant that if anyone did think you were weird, I wouldn't, agree with them. I'd defend you. Not that you need defending, just... Sorry. I was just trying to return your compliment, but I bumbled it. Maybe I am a little awkward. Thanks. Oh, hey. You were saying on the way here you wanted to do some stargazing, right? Well, here we are. I mean, it's pretty cloudy. It might rain soon. But you can still see some patches. When I was little, my dad used to take me stargazing a lot. He knew the names of, every constellation. Or at least it felt like he did. He would just point at some cluster of stars and say, "That's Perseus, riding off on his white Pegasus after slaying Medusa." Or whatever. And then he would look over at me and ask, "Where would you fly if you had a white horse with wings?" And I'd be like, "I don't know." But he'd come up with some wild, funny story, and I'd always say, "That sounds like so much fun." That was a long time ago, but I still remember some of those stories. He was a really good storyteller. I miss him a lot. Nights like these. Thanks, but it's okay. I didn't mean to bring down the mood or anything. I feel better being here with you. I'm glad you came. They're so beautiful. The stars, I mean. Just a million little dots of light in the night. So far apart. It's kind of funny, right? How you look up and see them your whole life, from the time you were little. But it's only after you learn about the constellations that you start seeing those patterns. It's just weird. How can you take something that's so familiar, something that's staring you right in the face every night, but you never really see the bigger picture for so long, until one day things just click into place. Wait, do you see that? Up there? No, I thought it was a helicopter at first too, but I don't think it is. Look at that trail behind it. It's faint, but if you squint, you can see it. I think it's a shooting star. Oh my god. I've done this so many times, but I've never actually seen one before. That's really cool. You know what they say about shooting stars, right? come on, don't tell me you don't know. They say if you close your eyes and wish upon a shooting star, your wish comes true. What do you mean, is it true? How should I know? I guess it depends whether or not you believe in magic. That's smart thinking. It couldn't hurt to try, right? You want to do it? Wish upon a star, I mean. All right. Close your eyes with me and make your wish. Okay. Done? I can't tell you that. If I do, it won't come true. Those are the rules of magic. Anyway, Hey, wait a sec. Did you feel that? Something hit my hand just now. No, I don't think it's a bug. I just felt it again. I think it's raining. I called it. Ugh, oh my god. Another one just hit me square in the forehead. Ugh. And it's picking up fast. Maybe we should get inside. Okay, scratch that. We should definitely get inside. Unless you're interested in getting completely wet. Now. Quick, get in the tent. Alright. Well, so much for stargazing by the fire. That's okay. We can try again tomorrow. I hope you didn't get too wet. I made it out mostly unscathed. Good. So, what do you want to do now? I guess it's pretty late. Maybe we should just get some shut-eye and call it a day. Let me just pack up some stuff laying around and... Oh no. It's still outside. My sleeping bag! I accidentally left it outside in the rain. No, I swear I'm not joking this time. I dragged it outside this morning to air it out and I completely forgot about it. Oh no. I mean, I could go outside and get it, but listen to that storm. It's probably soaked completely by now, and if I step outside, I'd just get drenched for my trouble. Well, guess it's the tent floor for me tonight. I should be more careful. What? Yours? Really? I mean, it's not very big. I don't want to make you uncomfortable all night because of my dumb mistake. I appreciate the offer, but it's fine. You would really be okay with it? You're sure? Well, okay. I'd be okay with that too, I guess. Here, just give me a sec to change. Close your eyes. All right. Do you want to change too, or are you just going to sleep like that? Okay. So, I guess you can get in first since it's yours. All right. And I'll just, climb in myself. Sorry if I accidentally poke you. And there. This feels kinda weird, but like not in a bad way. It feels kinda cozy, actually. Do you like it? Or, I mean, not like it, but does it feel okay? Like, is me lying on top of you not too annoying? Sorry. I wanted to lay on the side, but there's literally no room. I didn't mean to... You like it? Oh, okay. I'm glad you don't mind. You don't mind if I stretch my arms around you a bit, do you? They're all cramped by my sides is all. It's just... Okay. Thanks. If your arms need space too, you can definitely move them by my sides if you want. I super don't mind. I kind of like that. I could get used to our arms around each other like this. I mean, I didn't mean get used to like that. I just meant, oh, screw it. Look, I know I've been acting a little off since the trip started, and I can tell you've noticed. No, it's okay. It's just, there's something I have to get off my chest. And it's been on my chest for a long time, so it isn't exactly easy. And maybe this is like the worst possible time for it, because if it doesn't work out, I'd still be lying on top of you. But, I don't know. Something inside me is telling me if I don't work up the courage to do this now, I never will. I like you. Like, I like you. Like, we're friends, but for a while now, I've really wanted to be more than that. It's just, I didn't know how to tell you, and I didn't want to make things weird between us if you didn't feel the same way, because I really like spending time with you, but I had to tell you. So, there it is. Now you know. Do you want to say anything? I mean, no rush, take your... Okay. Do you mean... You do? You like me too? Like, not just as a friend, but... Oh my god. You have no idea how happy it makes me to hear you say that. Thank you. I kind of suspected you did, but I kept second-guessing myself and overthinking, and but none of that matters now. What matters is we're on the same page, and just thank you for being so cool. You kind of had a feeling I was going to ask something like this, huh? Well, what can I say? I'm not exactly a master of being subtle. There were a lot of times I tiptoed right up to the edge of asking you and then chickened out. But like I said, something inside me told me it was now or never. You really felt that way? Like, you liked me that much too? Well, why didn't you tell me? Okay, well, I guess I can't really blame you since I didn't tell you either. I guess, to be fair to both of us, it is kind of hard once you've gotten this close as friends to take a step further. You're always worried about alienating the other person, ruining a good thing. But I'm so glad that's not what happened. I suppose this is the part where I'd give you a hug if we were standing up. But since we're lying down and all, I guess I'll have to... Oh, or not. That feels nice. Hold me a little tighter, please. Yeah, just like that. Wrap your arms real snug around me, and I'll wrap mine around you. Suddenly, this tiny sleeping bag isn't so uncomfortable after all, huh? Your eyes are really beautiful. You know that? They remind me of the midnight sky a little. The way they twinkle in that flickering lantern light. Sorry, I didn't mean to get all sappy. I know that's not really our thing. But they do. They're really beautiful. Aw, thank you. That's sweet of you to say. Here, let me give you another horizontal hug to show you my appreciation. Or, I guess we can just be adults and admit we're cuddling. I like cuddling you. Do you like cuddling me? Well, then maybe we'll have to try it more often. That's it. Snuggle in. Say, while we're being adults and being honest about how we feel and forthright with our emotions and everything, would you want to, maybe try something else? Something I've been kinda daydreaming about doing with you? Do you want to kiss me? I mean, no pressure if it's too soon or you don't feel ready. It's totally... Oh my god. That was perfect. You're perfect. And I thought I was the only one that could get this sappy. No. Don't be embarrassed. I'm just teasing. I like it a lot. It makes me feel really nice to hear you say that. And to be here cuddling you in this warm sleeping bag. And to kiss you. Oh man, this is really fun. You're not half bad at this. Not that you would be bad at this, it's just, sorry, I'm like tripping over my words, but I promise that was supposed to be a compliment. Thanks. Like I said before, it's always meant a lot to me that you didn't think I was weird. I'm so glad we're friends, and I already know we're gonna be so much more soon. Hey, by the way, do you think maybe we could change our plans for tomorrow a bit? There's this trail near us that's supposed to take us to this huge grove of cherry blossoms this time of year. It sounded really romantic when I was reading about it. I was thinking maybe if you wanted to, we could go together. All right. Sounds like a plan. Now that we got that little housekeeping out of the way, back to the important stuff. You want to ask me something? I already told you I can't tell you what I wished for. Those are the rules of magic. Oh, how can I possibly say no to that smile? Okay, I'll tell you what. I can't tell you my wish, but I can tell you one thing. It's already started to come true.